You only said that God is formless.
Yes. So what's wrong in that? God is formless. It's written in our Vedas and other holy scriptures.
Mahatma Ji, you are lying. Nowhere in scriptures is it written that God is formless. Let me tell you what's written in our scriptures, which I got to know from the spiritual discourses of Saint Rampalji Maharaj.
Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt number 82 will clear the whole concept. In Rigved Mandal 9, Sukt 82, Mantra number 1, it is clearly written that God, who is the creator of everything, Sarv Utpadak Prabhu, who has created everything in 6 days and sat on his throne on the 7th day, effulgent facilitator of good qualities and liberator from bad deeds, this is Sanskrit, Rajev. It means like a king. On page number 269, now see page number 270. God is seen like king. He is sitting on a throne. He has a crown on his head. He is present everywhere on earth and around other loks too. He meets pure and good souls who are spiritual, unshakable devotees. How? Just as lightning falls on the places of its conductors, why does he come? What is his motive of coming here? O God, you come to great people with a motive to give true spiritual knowledge. You descend on earth. You come here like a very fast-moving article in our spiritual ceremonies. You are Kabir Dev, that Allahu Akbar. You are pure, O God, please diminish our bad deeds and give us happiness. Hence proved.
It's written in Shastras, Yajurved chapter 5, mantras 1, 6 and 8. Yajurved chapter 1, mantra 15. Yajurved chapter 7, mantra 39. Rigved Mandal 1, Sukt 31, mantra 17. Rigved Mandal 9, Sukt 86, mantras 26 and 27. Rigved Mandal 9, Sukt 82, mantras 1 to 3. It is written that God is in form. And this is what Holy Quran Sharif and Holy Bible proves.
This is Bible, Full Life Study Bible, Managing Editor, David Stewart, English Principal Editor, Donald C. Stamp, MA, MDiv, Group Editor. Genesis means creation. It starts from here. At first, God created the sky and earth. This was day 1. Likewise, day 2 completed. God created light. Dusk and dawn occurred. Then day 3 completed. God created fruits, trees, seeds, etc. Dusk and dawn occurred. Then day 4 completed. Now look here on page number 5. That was page number 4. Dusk and dawn occurred. Then day 5 completed. Now on 6th day, this is the real thing. Then God said, I will make humans just like myself. They will have authority over the fishes of the ocean, birds in the sky, and all creatures on land. That means humans will be intelligent than rest of them. God created humans like His own appearance and made them man and woman. Then how does God look? That means God looks like humans. This is understood. Holy Bible proved that God looks like humans, and he created humans like himself and made them as man and woman. Now let's show you Holy Quran Sharif. Shastriya Arbi Paddhati, Paranagari script, translator Nand Kumar Avasthi. Sherwani edition. Where is it published from? It's written that this book is pure, it has no point of doubt. Sherwani edition, publisher Lucknow Book House, Mausam Bagh, Sitapur Road, Lucknow. We'll read from here. Suratul Furqani 25, page 607, Ayat 59. Please look here. Suratul Furqani 25. The one who created land and skies and all that in between them in 6 days and then sat on his holy throne, both the holy books have together proved that God is in form human-like.